I'm Trina Petrish. I'm the owner and president of Citywide of Southern Arizona, and our main office is in Tucson, Arizona. So my previous experience, my life before Citywide, I was in the Army for 20 years. I have a master's in counseling, and so dealing with people, but you're dealing with people everywhere. And so I think that my experience of, being in the military, being in a combat zone. Oh wait, yes, I also raised, children, and they're now adults, and we still have a relationship, right? Like, my greatest success is that I've raised my children to adulthood, and we are still talking, right? You put that up next to a combat zone, and I'm like, eh. But and just all of our experiences make us who we are to bring us to the point of where we are right now. And so solving problems, taking down roadblocks, and removing barriers for our people to be able to do their job, helping ICs, maybe just through mentoring them and talking to them about building their business. I mean, that all comes together. Wherever you are, you're dealing with people. And so both for me and my husband, our life experience is prepared us to be in this place with a franchise, with a business of our own. At the end of the day, I'm so grateful for making this leap and taking on this responsibility for ourselves, for our future, and for the legacy that we really want to leave.